Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about problem solving involving multiplication of fractions. So this is for Mathematics 5. So let us have our problem. Number 1, Erwin can paint 3 and 4 over 6 square meter of the wall in an hour. How many square meters of the wall can he paint in 8 hours? So if ever that you did not get the question or the point of the problem here on your first reading, don't worry because you're allowed to read it twice or thrice until you get the question or even the problem, because that is the most crucial part in problem solving. You have to have the knowledge on how to solve it, and you have to have the understanding about what the problem is. So let's solve. For letter A, we have here understand. Understand meaning what is asked. So, how can we identify what is asked? Normally, it is the question in the problem. It is written near the end or at the end of the sentence or the paragraph that we have. So, therefore, we can conclude that it is how many square meters of the wall can he paint in 8 hours. So that is the problem or the question here in our problem. Next, we have here the plan or how to solve the problem. So when we say plan or how to solve the problem, this is where you're going to choose the operation or operations that you're going to use to solve the problem. And also, this is the part where you are going to form your number sentence. You are allowed to use n to represent the unknown number. So for B, we have here 3 and 4 over 6 times 8 equals n. This is our number sentence, and this is how we are planning to solve the problem by multiplying 3 and 4 over 6 and 8. And n here is the representation of the answer itself. We did not know it yet now, but later we will solve for this. So for plan, do not solve it yet. Next. So we have here solve. What is the solution? So in here, we will be using the equation that we have earlier. So that is 3 and 4 over 6 times 8. If you want to have equals n, no problem with that. Then, for us to solve this, we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So that's 6 times 3, that's 18, plus 4, that's 22. So we have here 22 over 6 times 8 equals n. Then after that, let's change 8 into a fraction. So let's write over 1 there. Then after that, kindly check if we can apply the cross multiplication method. For 6 and 8, it is possible. So just think of a number that can divide 6 and 8 at the same time without remainder. So we can use 2 here to have 3, 2 here to have 4. And then now we can solve. So let's multiply 22 and 4. So that is 22 times 4 over 3 times 1. 22 times 4, that's 88 over 3. So it is an improper fraction, so therefore you have to change this into a mixed number. So therefore you have to divide 88 and 3 to change this. So that is 88 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Bring down 8. And then let's divide. So 28 divided by 3, that's 9. Because 9 times 3 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. So therefore, when we change this into a mixed number, then it will become 29 and 1 over 3. So this is the final answer, or n. Next, we already solved the equation that we have on letter B, or plan. What is the final answer? We can say that it is in the form of a sentence, okay? Don't write 29 and 1/3, and that's it. No, it's not like that. You have to form a sentence. For example, he can paint 29 and 1 over 3 square meter of the wall in 8 hours. So that is the final answer for this example. Just be careful. Remember to answer what is asked. And this is the answer. He can paint 29 and 1 over 3 square meter of the wall in 8 hours. So that's how we solve problems in multiplication of fractions. So you have to follow the steps that we have earlier for you to be able to solve for it. So if you have questions or clarifications regarding problem solving in multiplication of fractions, you can message us, the Honors Tutorial, in our FB page. Thank you and God bless.